Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the LYNN Mermaid Tears earrings. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Alright, we do that by peeling off the plastic. No need for the penknife this time, since there was an opening right there. And I'm just going to set the box down on the tabletop right there so you can have a nice unobstructed view of the box. So there appears to be a sleeve that we can slide off, simply like that. So a nice black box with gold accents for the branding right there with Blanche jewelry. Okay, so little black box here. Let's take a look around it. So you can see at the front, it does say crystals from Swarovski. So it does use the Swarovski crystal for the jewelry in this Mermaid Tears earrings. So let's go ahead now and flip the box lid open to reveal the earrings. As you can see, they're kind of misplaced or displaced right there. Let's just tap the box a little and let it hang or dangle down. So you can see I don't have much control of the earrings. They seem to want to do their own thing there. There we go. So nice and neat in the box. They have a somewhat slightly iridescent finish, as you can see. And I'll move the box closer in so you can have a nice good look at the earrings just resting in the box as they are. Okay, so it does hang down. The earrings do dangle or droop from a rhodium plated kind of earring. So there we go, and just going to give you another look right there. Okay, now I'm going to pop the earrings out from its holder here, just showing you the back as well. So if we can set the box right there to the side and give you a hopefully good look at the fasteners of the earrings right there. A nice good look. So they appear to be a stud or stud fastening for the earrings. And taking a look at the front once again, right there, without the box in the way this time around. So you can see they do have a nice sparkle to them. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop the earrings off from the card holder right there. Just gonna slide them upwards from the holder, and then just going to put the card back in the box, and obviously double checking, making sure that there's nothing else left behind in the box right there. Slamming the box shut. Hopefully that wasn't too jarring or shocking to your ears. And then showing you the earrings in the palm of my hand right there. So these are the LYNN Mermaid Tears earrings, with a nice long stud right there. So giving you a nice good look at the pair of earrings right here. So they are described as mermaid blue. However, you can see there's a slight yellowish green tint to them. So they are pretty nice to look at, and you can see that the earring itself, on the top part of the earring, it is rhodium plated and inlaid with crystals from Swarovski as well. So a nice good look at the earrings. I'm going to turn one of them around just to show you what it looks like on the back side of the earring right there. so it's not see-through. The back is opaque as far as I can tell through the camcorder's viewfinder. You can see right there that it's not see-through on the reverse. And just going to turn the other side round as well. So there we go. These are the back sides of the earrings. And size-wise, I'm just going to rest it in the palm of my hand here and then set my hand down towards the tabletop. As you can see right there, a little fiddly of course because of the long stud, and they do of course dangle or drop from the upper part of the earring. So hopefully you do have a nice or better view and perspective of the size of the earrings right there in the palm of my hand. If I set it back a bit, somewhere towards the middle right there. Okay, and now giving you some close-up. So I'm going to set one down because it's not easy to maneuver or handle both of them at the same time. So it's better if I just deal with one and very slowly give you that close-up detail. So you can see a beautiful Bermuda blue with a slight iridescent yellowish green tint to it. And I'm going to give you a side view as well, just to show you the thickness of the earring and what it looks like from the side. Okay, and of course going to show you towards the base as well. And then of course the opposite side. And you can see the stud very clearly there. The length of the stud pin. And then of course a view like this, why not? And of course the reverse side as well. So a nice good view all around of the LYNN Mermaid Tears earring. And I'm going to show you how it dangles right there. So it does dangle quite loosely and freely from the upper part of the earring. And it does turn slightly as well, not just left and right, but it does rotate. You can see there's a fair bit of articulation there in terms of the upper point as well as the lower point where the crystal or teardrop hangs from the upper part. So there we go, showing you the kind of movement of the earring. I'm going to give you some close-up detail as well right there. Nice and clear, hopefully for you guys. And showing you the stud as well. So simply pull out, just to show you the detail. Just going to get my fat fingers out of the way so you can see more clearly what we're dealing with right here. And perhaps being careful not to drop it on the floor. There we go. A nice good look right there. That was close. Or maybe just rest it in the palm of my hand. Right there. always quite fiddly with small items like this, and a camcorder and tripod in the way. But nonetheless, there we go, a nice good look at the stud and the stud pin. And let's just put it back together by pushing it through. So you can see that we can push the back part all the way down. We'll set it further back as well if you do have thicker earlobes. There we go, a nice good look once again at the LYNN Mermaid Tears earrings. And I'm just going to show you both of them once again, and this time around you can see both of them in the dazzling in all their glory right there. So a pretty resplendent looking pair of earrings, very nicely made, with nice good detail as you can see, and lovely colors. So let's see if I can hold them both in the same hand. Not sure if that's a good idea, but let's keep it this way. Keep it simple. Let's not overcomplicate things. And show you how they kind of dangle and hang right there. So you can see a pretty pair of earrings right there. So that's the LYNN Mermaid Tears earrings. Thanks for watching and happy accessorizing.